Have you ever stared at pages of notes after a long study session, feeling overwhelmed, wondering how you will ever condense all that information into something manageable? It is a common challenge, but there is a powerful way to transform complex details into clear, concise summaries. To create clear summaries from complex notes, begin by identifying the main ideas and keywords, then paraphrase them in your own words, focusing on explaining core concepts and relationships. This process involves active engagement with your material, moving beyond just highlighting or copying text. The effectiveness of this method stems from how our brains process and retain information. When you summarize, you are actively reconstructing knowledge, which strengthens neural pathways and improves comprehension much more than passive review. It forces you to distinguish between essential information and supporting details, solidifying your understanding. To put this into practice, start by scanning your notes for topic sentences, headings, and bolded terms to grasp the overall structure. Next, read through each section, highlighting only the most crucial phrases or sentences that convey the central message. After that, without looking at your original notes, try to explain the concept in your own words as if teaching it to someone else. This active recall technique is incredibly effective. Finally, write down this explanation, using transition words to connect ideas smoothly. For example, if you are summarizing a history chapter, instead of listing dates, explain the cause and effect relationships between events. An expert tip is to employ the Cornell note-taking system, where you divide your note page into 3 sections: main notes, cues, and summary. This built-in structure makes summarization a regular, integrated part of your study process, rather than an extra step. Regularly review your cue column, using it as a prompt to recall and articulate the main points, which then forms the basis for your summary section. Mastering the art of summarizing not only condenses vast amounts of information into digestible chunks, but it also deepens your understanding, enhances memory recall, and prepares you for tests by ensuring you can articulate key concepts clearly. This skill transforms passive studying into active learning, empowering you to truly own your knowledge.